Okay, this is the Christmas song. I'm going to play it once and then we'll talk about every bar and every little part of it. Let's take a listen to the song. Okay, now let's talk about every bar. So the position is, here's middle C, C, D, E, and we're going to be playing a sharp in this piece. If you don't know what that is, it's okay. Here is F. We're going to put our fourth finger on F sharp, which is the black key right next to F. And our pinky will be on G. The left hand, we're going to put our fourth finger on G, third on A, second on B, and first on C. Alright, I'm going to play the first bar. Let's listen to it. This bar has eighth notes. Eighth notes, you can tell what they are by looking at them on the page. You'll see they have a beam or a line across the top of them that connects them together. Those notes are to be played faster. I'm going to count the beats so you can see where the eighth notes are. Here we go. 1, 1, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, 1. That was the first bar. Now I'm going to do it without counting. Listen for the eighth notes. Good. Now the second bar. There are eighth notes in this as well. We're going to play the second bar twice because there is a first and second ending. I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's listen to the second bar. 1, 1. Now here you'll see my right hand was on E and G. Now it's on E flat. Flats are the notes going down that are close to the white key. So here's E. E flat is the black key next to it, going down. So we're going to go. Now when I hit A, I'm going to hit E flat and G. And I hear some eighth notes. F sharp, D sharp, D sharp, F natural, E flat, D, C, D with B flat, D, C, B natural, A. Okay, so all you have to do is copy. So I'm going to do the right hand and then the left. Let's watch the right. E and G, rest, E flat and G, rest, rest. Now D, E, F sharp, E, D sharp, D sharp, F natural, E flat, D natural, C, D, D, C. Now let's look at the left hand. G, G, A, G, A, B, and then rest, 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 B, B flat, and then back to regular B, B, A. Now let's watch them together in slow motion. now at the end of the bar, it has a repeat sign, so you're supposed to go back to the beginning of the song. And I'm going to do that real quick. Let's listen. And now I just got to the second measure of the second bar of the song. And now this is the time, since we've repeated, we're going to go to the next page and start there. Let's listen to that bar. This is the third bar of the song, starting on D. D, B, E, D, C, F sharp with your pinky in your left hand, and then your fourth finger plays G. Right hand, E, D, now G, F sharp, G, F natural and E together, then B, E, D, take your pointer finger and cross over to C sharp, then D, C, B, G, F sharp, G. Now let's listen to it in real time again. And that's the end of that measure, or bar. Now onto the fourth bar. The fourth finger starts on F natural, and the left hand starts on A. We play those together. E, F, E. Now F with B, E, D, C, D. Left hand, G, A, G, F sharp, G, C with E. E flat, excuse me. D, E flat, D, C, B flat. Now let's listen to that without me telling you what notes they are. 1, 1, eighth notes. Eighth notes there, eighth notes here. Alright, next bar. Starting on C, we're going to play C, D and F again, B flat, C, B flat, D and E with A, C sharp and E with A, C regular or natural with E, and then C and D with B. Now let's listen to that bar by itself. Okay, now on to the sixth bar. This bar is we're almost done. Is kind of like the beginning. So let's listen. G, G, F sharp and C, E, D, C, B, 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 G, E, D, C, B, A, G, E, F sharps together. Alright, that's the end of that bar. Now the final bar. E and G with G, F sharp, G, E flat and G with A, G, A, B, D, E, F sharp and A sharp, G, E, D, G, A, G. Now the final notes, D and G in the right hand, and G and B in the left hand. Now let's listen to that bar by itself. Okay, so you want to practice this bar by bar. If you start having trouble at home, I will help you in class, but you should be watching each bar over and over and just mastering it bar by bar until you learn the song. Okay, good luck.